in England deplore faction and feud are passing away. 'Twas a voice, but 'tis a loud roar. Orange and green will carry the day. Orange, orange, green and orange, pitted together in many a fray. Lions in fight, and linked in their might, orange and green will carry the day. Orange, orange, green and orange, wave them together o'er mountain and bay. Orange and green, our king and our queen, orange and green will carry the day. Rusty the swords our fathers unsheathed, William and James are turned to clay. Long did we till the wrath they bequeathed, red was the crop and bitter the pay. Freedom fired us, knaves misled us, under the feet of the foemen we lay. Riches and strength we'll win them at length, for orange and green will carry the day. Landlords fooled us, England ruled us, hounding our passions to make us their prey. But in their spite, the Irish unite, and orange and green will carry the day. Fruitful our soil, where honest men starve, empty the mart, and shipless the bay. Out of our want, the oligarchs carve, foreigners fatten on our decay. Disunited, therefore blighted, ruined and rent by the Englishman's sway. Hardy and creed, for once have agreed, orange and green will carry the day. Boyne's old water, red with slaughter, now is as pure as an infant at play. So in our souls its history rolls, orange and green will carry the day. Orange, orange, bless the orange, Tories and Whigs grew pale with dismay, when from the north burst the cry forth, orange and green will carry the day. No surrender, no pretender, never to falter and never betray. With an amen we swear it again, orange and green shall carry the day.